Okay, what's up, guys? Today we are playing Teardown, and I played a little bit before. Does not matter. So let's press campaign and go into it. Boom. All right, this is our firehouse. Died. Our car still works. Just don't look at it. And our house. I don't use doors. I'm a true Sigma. Alright, what do we got? Oh, we got a truck. I don't like trucks. And I have all this stuff. Like a lightsaber. I bought it illegally off Amazon. We don't talk about that. Alright, now let's go what I need to do. Alright, I did some of this before. That's why it says all this. Alright. Good evening, blah, 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 blah. Alright, so we're just gonna commit some crimes today. Replay mission. Let's see what we gotta do. Alright, this is our van we suddenly just got. Am I taller than the van almost? Oh, great. So this is what we gotta destroy. A house. Hello? Open the door. Yep. Well, I have a fast way and a civilized way. No, we're not just gonna hire a professional. We're gonna destroy it instantly. Hello? Sorry someone lived here and they just wanted an adjustment. I'm gonna kind of destroy your house. It's a beautiful day. A beautiful day and not legal stuff. We're just not in there. Now let's see what we gotta do today. Imagine someone's just inside the house, and I just come here and I was like, hello, you lived here? That'd be funny. Not for them, for me though. Did they really just destroy my tractor? Or whatever this thing is called? They really did. I hate these people. Can't believe they did such a horrible crime. It's a horrible crime. And you know how we settle crimes? No, not by calling the police. What am I, a loser? No, we just destroy them. This is for destroying my vehicles. How is he still standing? Like, there's like 2 little bricks here. What was that supposed to be? We're such good construction workers. I should get hired in real life. Alright. That took a little while. Loose and easy way. Like true Americans. We're true Americans, people. We're true Americans. Bulldozer. Wait, this ain't bulldozer. I'm gonna shut up now. Whee! Are we stuck? Hello? This is taking forever. If you're still watching this, please subscribe and like. It will help the channel a lot. But anyway. So, guys, I have learned I don't know anything about construction. I know it's hard to believe on how much of a master I am. But turning out, yeah, it's true. I have no idea how this works. gonna do something really quick. Don't be looking right now. No ammo! Gotta do this the old-fashioned way then. By destroying it. Should have been our first intention. We are done. That was their still house! You're not telling me this isn't done yet. Oh, yeah. I hope they'll like their new house. It's better than we left it. Better than we left it. So much better than we left it. Am I hearing hate? No, I'm not. Alright, let's see what we did. Is that fire? Yeah, it is. Continue. Let's see what we got now. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Well, TV. I love TV. Shut up. I think we need to work out. Workout complete. Time to go on the internet. Now what do we do? Favorite, what do you want? Let's do this now. Let's go to some computers. Today, we're hacking computers. Same car as usual. Can I break the glass? No, invincible car. What do we got here? Alright, can't go that way. My computer is like blowing up. A diving board. That's so cool, bro. Forget about the mission. I need to go on the diving board. Have I ever seen such a cool thing in my life? Dang. That was one of the funnest things I've ever done in my life. We're swimming. We're swimming into like it's drinking water. Ew. I don't want to swim, bro. I don't want to swim. Press tab to open up the map option. Alright. Alright, so we got one in there. We got one in there, one in there. I think we'll do this one first. Let's go. Come on, bruh. Save your progress. Escape. Remember, guys, even in real life, you just gotta find that escape button. What's in here? Illegal tables. Oh, wait, I'm metal. Whatever this is. That was glass. I really thought that was glass, bro. Wait, where is it at? I'm dumb. There it is. I guess we're not getting that one first. No one will know. Can I close that? Secrets! Wait, isn't that fire? Can I throw this at somebody? It's useless. Don't buy it. Let's go upstairs. So you're saying I just gotta steal this? Quick save. E. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The cops! The cops! The cops! I'm too young to die! I gotta make a break for it! No! No! Stop! I only came here to go on the internet! Open sesame! Jetpack! Go, 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 go! Let me in! What do you mean? We gotta run. They won't find us up here. They won't find us. They won't find us. Yeah. How to break the exit. No, 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 no. They won't find us. They won't find us. They won't find us. They won't find us. Oh shoot, that's play. No. Mission failed. Bro. That takes an L. I'm gonna poop on their carpet so good. Let's redo this, the whole thing. But this time, we win. Alright, guys. I hate you. You made me go to jail. And I'm scared of that. Committing very many crimes, committing crimes. Won't you commit crimes with me? Go in the yucky, ugly water. Imagine a shark just comes through there and just starts eating me. Secret ending. Just imagine. The shark just comes in and just bites me. Alright, I'm just gonna skip it. I don't care if I'm cheating with it. So we need to find a plan. So we'll start there. Obviously. And go over here. Go up here. Dang it! This game is irritating me. Go in here. Cover our tracks with wood. Climb upstairs. Alright, we'll grab that. And then I'm going to break this window. Yes, I know. I'm a pro. And we're going to... Oh, shoot. What do we do here? Can we run that? Oh, yeah. We have a jetpack. So then we'll jump here. We'll run, because I remember there's another one in there. Yeah, I see it. We'll do this. We'll clutch onto this. No, don't fall. Jump onto this. Break over the door. Was that a... Yeah. Grab this, because we're OG legends. We run up here, and then... Oh, we're stuck. We need to get over there. So, I have an idea on how to get over there fast. Because, like, walking will be too slow. We're gonna take this vehicle, ram it, do this, and put it in the water. That is revenge. I hate you guys for sending me to jail. Not for a real plan. So we'll do this, and we're gonna now get up. No stuff can go, I don't care. Come on, don't be tripping, don't be tripping! I'm gonna send you back to Ohio. If you keep doing this, I'm gonna send you back to Ohio. Okay. Okay. Oh, no, that ain't gonna work. No, it can work. Could I clutch that? Could I, like, clutch that? Could I be an OG legend again? Dang it. Alright, I'm not supposed to have a jetpack on in this level yet, so, but I'm using one. So, could I? And I'm not going to use it during while running because I just find that cheating. But right now, I guess I'll use it. Yeah. Could we clutch that? No! I'm going to say we can do it. Alright, guys. Spam that like button if you think we can do this. If we don't, then we don't. You disgust me. Why are we just doing this? Do we just do crimes for free? Or do they pay us? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Shoot, I'm taking time. Jump. Jump too high. Ah! 42. Ah, oh my god. Jump. 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 Grab. 30 seconds left. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. No. Clutch it. Clutch it. I'm just a jetpack. I don't care. I'm not redoing this. Oh shoot, I forgot to bring the window over here. I forgot to try that out. I forgot to test this out. I forgot to test this out. No, I didn't plan ahead. Oh, stupid. Jump over that. Get in, get in, get in. Oh, helicopter. Okay. So I cheated, but another day, another win for the OG. Even if we cheated. But who cares? Now let's see. Alright, we're right there. There. jump there. Comment if we should redo this level without cheating. Cheating. Oopsie, we cheated. I don't know. Goodbye.